Hey everybody, it is Quickened, and today I have a little bonus video for you. I'm going to be doing some unboxing. So I felt like the tone of 5 Fact Friday was like kind of somber in a way because like the questions I answered I feel like were kind of serious questions, and like what a drag. So I thought I could do a little unboxing, and it's really little. I only have 3 things, but I keep like an emergency fund of like things to unbox. And I also have cinnamon roll. The first thing I'm unboxing, and this is the Tree Sun blind box. I bought one of these for me and my friend Justine, and I don't know much about this like story or cartoon or comic book, but I got one of these for me and my friend Justine, and I just feel like the characters that you can get are pretty good. Like, I think they're really, really cute. Like, imagine getting this one, you know? Or like this one. So I was with Justine when she opened hers, and she got the lad. So I'm pretty excited to check this out and get a good one. So I got all these blind boxes from a store in Philadelphia that sells all of these. I'm forgetting the store right now. But it's called Mothership. Oh, so I got the same thing as Justine. She's gonna think that that's super funny. Oh no, wait, so she got the character Ren, and I got the character Bee. Oh, they stink. I had to send that to her. So they really stink. Close that up. And I've got my lad. If you follow this story, let me know. So the next thing I have in it is a Yummy World Kid Robot enamel pin, and I got this from my friends at Shop Aquarian Soul. You can check out their store. I am going to open this up. Now everything smells like the lad. So I had to stop filming this for a second. You might see that the light is different because a raccoon got into our roof, and it's been a real problem, but John said he's getting around to it, and I'm just like, the raccoon! Getting around to the raccoon? Like, is my life for real? So sometimes I hear the raccoon and I hit the ceiling with a stick. It's right here. I'm not even lying. This is for the raccoon. My poor life. Does everything smells like this lad. The fucking stinky lad. Here we go. So, opening up this boy. Oh, wait. So, who can we get? So, here's a list of everybody. And who's rare? Nobody is exceptionally rare. But some of them aren't as rare. Like there's like a falafel taco, that's 2 out of 20. The odds of the bacon are 2 out of 20. The odds of the french fries are 2 out of 20. I kind of want the double scoop of ice cream. Nobody's super rare though, which is an interesting approach, right? Wouldn't you want like rarity? I guess there's so many of them. Oh, I opened it for you guys. Oh, so this is the falafel taco. There he is. These are pretty big. I didn't think it would be this big. Do you think he translates well? Do you like read falafel taco? This is flaco. Do you read flaco when you see this? And that's all it comes with. The package is empty. It doesn't come with like a certification card or anything like that. Oh, actually this opens. Oh, and it opens up to show you the other ones you could have got. You stink! You fucking stink! Damn, that thing is stinking. Alright, I lost the pin back. It fell in between my thighs. So now it's gone. What is happening? It's literally... Wait. It's in my slipper. I kind of feel like this looks like a pillow. A pillowcase. With some food in it. Like you're gonna go to sleep and you don't want your food. So let me tell you this. This one was $8. Something like that. It says $7.95 on the package. But I feel like at Mothership, I guess they upped the prices. So I remember I didn't open this because I was like, that's expensive. I'm gonna wait till an emergency. So here's the box like this. I already opened it while I was eating, my fault. It doesn't say what you could get. Donatella comes from a planet where sugar is used as energy. This is not a toy, it is collectible art. So this is Tokidoki, and that is... I don't know what's in here. I hope it's this cute boy. A lot going on. Do you remember Tokidoki? Were you guys into it? Are you falling out of it? Let's see. So you could use that, I guess, as a little ashtray if you don't completely ruin this. And then here's her intergalactic buds. The unicorns and such. So I don't know what we're gonna get here. It feels like a person. Has two little legs. Seems top heavy, so it probably won't stand. Oh, it is the bear. And the lollipop is see-through. Okay. The ears are little donuts, and it looks like he stepped in some donuts. He's pretty cute. Let's see if he stands up. Oh, he does stand up. He looks pretty cute right there. No one can tell what I'm showing you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for this simple unboxing. I just wanted to, like, I don't know, like, Five Nights at Freddy's seems so mean and, like, uncheerful, and that's definitely not the vibe I want to cultivate. I'm actually like so stoked and like so proud to be a YouTuber, and I feel really good about everything that's going on right now. I guess I shouldn't pick like heavy topics, but you know, I don't know, I get into them and stuff like that, and that's definitely not the case. Like, it's been a really great week. I had a really amazing birthday. Talking about dating and like what I don't like most about YouTube was probably such a drag, but I love YouTube. I love YouTubers, and I hope that comes off in the message. If not, the light just died on my light, but I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up, and bye!